remember to like, share, and subscribe. Let's get started and sing with us. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O, and on that farm he had a sheep and a chicken and a horse and a pig and a dog and a goat and a cow and a cat. E-I-E-I-O. Now let's do the farm animals trivia game. I love trivia games.
Yeah, me too.
Are you ready?
Yeah.
I'm run. Round 1. Cows can fly. That's false.
It's wrong.
What do they mean? Ducks have webbed feet. Is that true? Oh, I was thinking it was wrong. Sheep say moo. No. They say ba. And sheep say moo. No. Round 4. Horses have 4. That's easy. It's correct. Everybody knows that. Pigs can swim. I don't know. Oh, pigs can swim. Roosters lay eggs. That's false because only chickens. Roosters lay eggs. That's false. Why do roosters have bigger tails? Goats have beards. They do. Big beards. Goats have beards. Of course. Llamas have soft woolly fur. That's true. Geese only eat meat. That's false. They don't eat meat.
They eat water.
Rabbits lay eggs. They do.
They don't.
They don't. Oh.
They don't.
They don't. Well done. Bye, and remember to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you next time.